It's my birthday today!
Give me butterflies when you smile and it feels so good. It just can't hide. I wanna hold your hand but get too shy. Just me and you. What should I do? You give me butterflies. I want a surprise. The thought of your kiss as the people walk by. I'm just dying to ask. Wouldn't hurt to try.
Welcome to Margot's Adventures!
And I hope everybody is ready for our first step. Put your hands together like this. And don't forget to wear your best smile. Smile, everybody. And for the second step, swing your hips to the right and to the left. Side by side. Side and side. Okay, come on, everybody. Join kids to move. Alright, side. Are you ready for your next step? Hands up. Hands up. Hands up! And go! Go down! Come everybody, energy, go! And down! And then everyone move! Step, 1, 2, 3, and down! 1, 2, 3, and down! 1, 2, 3, and down! And down! Alright, go down, go down! Come and go! Pag narinig nyo na po na nag-start ang music, when the music starts, all you need to do is shake the balloon like this. Okay, right po, right. Okay, where's your right hand? Alright, here's your right hand. Okay, papasa po sa inyong right hand. Okay, shake and touch, go, shake, shake, shake and touch, and shake, shake, shake and touch, go, shake and touch, go, shake, shake, shake and touch, go, shake, shake, shake and touch, go, shake. Nakatalikod po ako, hindi ko po kita. So, thank you so much, hindi nag-great vlog, Argo. Thank you so much. Una pa lang si birthday girl natin. Okay, so nabawasan na po tayo ng 1 kids. Okay, so shake and touch, shake, shake and touch, shake, shake, shake and touch, shake. Okay, thank you so much po, Ate, for joining. Okay, good job. Ready for our next round? Ay, good job pa rin po. So, we have one. Okay, so get ready po. Hold the balloon po. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 kids game. So, get ready, touch. Go, magic for the go. Shake and touch. Go, shake, shake, go, shake, shake, shake and touch. Go, shake, shake, shake and touch. Go, shake. Okay, so get ready. Dapat ipapasa ng mabilis. Okay, get ready. Shake and pass. Go! Shake! Shake! Shake and pass. Go! Pass. Go! Shake and pass. Go! Shake! Shake! Shake and pass. Go! Okay, nasa inyo pa po. Okay, last 3 kids na lang po. Okay, dito po kayo sa center. Go! Shake! Shake! Shake and pass. Go! Shake! Shake! Shake and pass. Go! Shake! Nag-last touch na po sa kanya. And here's your consolation prizes. May yo-yo ka na. Okay, so, last 2 na lang po. Pero bago po tayo mag-proceed sa final round, interviewin ko po muna. Ano po ang name mo? Okay, kayo po? Name po, name. Catalina po. Catalina. Okay, we have Joe and Catalina. So, isa lang po makaka-receive ng amazing prize from Jollibee. Okay, lang yan. May consolation prize pa din naman. So, get ready for your final round. Test the magic balloon. Go! Shake! Shake and touch. Go! Shake! Wala ang gagaling ng dalawa. Shake! Shake! Shake and shake. Alright, ang last na po ay si Catalina and piso. 5 piso. Go lang yan, 5 piso. 5 piso. Nakakuha ng takat. 5 tagpi piso. Dahil dyan, meron nga green seal. Look na. Congratulations. Oh, cellphone charger. Sino ang may dala? Cellphone charger. Okay, nakikita to sa bag nila, Mami. Please bring me a red lipstick. Go! Red lipstick. Meron na. Baka ready ka agad. Meron na. Alright, next item. Please to bring me. Alright, kahit ano po ito. Any identification card. Kahit ano po. ID. Go! ID na po na sa ID. Go! Identification card. Balik na kay Lola Laida. Okay, next item. Please to bring me a susi. Go! Susi! Go! Susi! Lalaban. Kanina po pula nanalo. Kailangan ng tulong nila Mami and Daddy. Nakakababang alam sa Gcash account. Guys, ito ay time kayo to open. Bilis 82.30. May mas mababa sa 82 pesos. Out na ito. Teka lang, nasa kanya na sa kabilang gang. 28! Okay, mayroon pa bang hahabol sa 28? Meron pa ba? 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, wala na pong hahabol. Kaya naman congratulations po. Thank you so much. And for our next game, okay, may next game pa po tayo para sa ating Jolly Kids. Kaya, yung mga Jolly Kids po na po kayo dito sa harapan. Okay, come on, Jolly Kids. Jolly Kids, come on, Margo. Ang Jolly Kids, let's go. Okay, dapat na rin sa gitna. Turn around. Okay, so para po sa ating last game, this is what we call the Jollibee Says. Okay, Jollibee Says. Paano po ito laruin? You need to sit down like this. Okay, everybody sit down, Jolly Kids. Jollibee says sit down. And when Jollibee says stand up, you need to stand up. At pag hindi po kayo sumunod sa sinabi ni Jollibee, automatic out na po sila. So, last man standing lang po ang mananalo sa atin. Okay, kaya naman, kids, listen carefully to what Jollibee says. Practice pa lang. Jollibee says stand up. Jollibee says stand up. Jollibee says stand up. Naku, maraming na. Pero practice pa lang po yun. Practice pa lang. Sit down. Okay, nag-stand up po si Kuya John. Okay, Jollibee says stand up. Jollibee says stand up. Jollibee says stand up. Ayun. 1, 2, 3. Right. Next. Ay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 kids na lang po sila. So, get ready. 1 and 2. Let's stand up po. Thank you so much. Last 3 na lang po sila. So, we have Ate Margaret. What's your name? Adeline and Steven, Adeline and Marco. Okay, so, get ready kids for our next round. Jollibee says sit down. Jollibee says stand up. Jollibee says stand up. Jollibee says sit down. Jollibee says sit down. Jollibee says sit down. You! Right, last 2 na lang po. Last 2. Okay, stand up po tayo, Ate Margo and Steven. Jollibee says sit down. Jollibee says stand up. Jollibee says sit down. Jollibee says stand up. Ayun! Okay. At tayo dyan, Steven, meron mga consolation prizes. At para sa ating winner, congratulations, Margo! Ang ating birthday girl. Hindi po kayo ng 8 players. Pwede 4 girls and 4 boys. So, 4 po tayo. So, yung team B natin, 4 may state line po kayo. Pinakamatalino sa inyong grupo. Okay, kaya ako po pinalagay sa pinakalikuran dahil ang game po natin ngayon ay tinatawag na intelligence game. Matalino talaga. Hindi na, dyan po na sir. Okay, so tapatan nyo lang po yung chair natin pero hanggang dyan back po kayo. Okay, let's practice. Pass the balloon over your head po. Punta sa likuran po. At pag nasa likuran na, pakibalik ako between your legs. Pag nakabalik na po, that is the time na sa paramihan ito ng puntos ang mananalo. Meron po kayong prizes. Ang matatalo, may consequence. Time, tanungin po muna natin sila. Ano po ang paboritong subject nyo, ma'am? Wow, English. How about you, sir? Uyan at English. Anong buwan is na-celebrate ang Halloween? Go! Anong buwan to? Wala mag-happy birthday ang Team A. So their answer is? October. October is correct! 1 point. Okay, yung logo sa harap. Dito na tayo sa second player. 1-0 ang score natin. Ano po ang paborito ng subject? Dito yung science, science. Kayo po?
Cutting.
Cutting klase. Ang category natin ngayon ay manggagaling sa mathematics. Kaya ready, sa mathematics, ilan ang may 28 days sa kalendaryo? Go! Okay. So, ang sagot ng Team B ay isa lang. 1. Ang sagot ng Team A ay 12 is correct! Lahat po ay kakapapin mo yan sa iba. Pumasok ka kasi hindi kasi makapasok. Lahat po ay may 28 days. 2-0 ang ating score. Kailangan nyo makahabol, sir. Ano ang paborito ng subject? Physical education. Nagkatawa si ma'am. Okay, kayo po? Science. Ready sa Disney Princess? Ilan ang dwarfs ni Cinderella? Go! Ang sagot po niya, ang paborito niya kasi ay PE. Ang sagot niya ay number 7. Mali. Ang sagot ng Team A ay 0 is correct! Wala ang dwarfs si Cinderella. Ang may 7 dwarfs ay si Snow White. Ano na po balak natin? Kasi parang ang score ay 3. Pero this question is worth of 4 points. Okay. Ma'am, Joanna, ano po ang paborito niyong subject? Mathematics. So, Filipino. Okay. Dahil dyan, ang category ay nanggagaling sa English spelling. Tulungan niyo siya. Okay. Get ready. Spell me the word Czechoslovakia. Go! Czechoslovakia! Parang susuko na intindi natin. Hindi namin alam Czechoslovakia. Sinulat po ng Team B ay word chocolate. Magkatuloy tayo. So, ang tama po sagot ay CZECHOSLOVAK. Kulang lang. Pero dahil kayo po ang may people, congratulations, Team A. Ano sila? Dito ay bad spelling. Magbibigay ako ng words at kailangan i-spell gamit ang inyong mga puwet. Okay, gamit ang inyong bag. Okay, yan. So, ano po ang word? Jolly Global City, Taguig City, Philippines. Kasi wala to sa Czechoslovakia. Hindi, joke lang. Mahaba yung sobra. Ano na lang po, fairy tale. Okay, fairy tale dapat sabay-sabay. Get ready? Capital letter F. Go! Halawin isa. Okay, next capital letter A. A. Next, small letter R. Go, R. Alright, so may capital letter Y. Y. Ano ka sa kaiba? Okay, next capital letter T. Go. T. And small letter A. A. And small letter N. Go. N. And small letter E. Go. E. Palagkakan nyo naman po silang bata. Thank you so much po sa inyo apat for joining and participating. You may now take back to your seat. Alright, thank you so much everybody for joining and participating for my games. And this time, we will now serve the Jollibee Lakasok is brought as Dave Margo's birthday party. And later on po, meron tayong special guest over from Joy Sound. But for now, enjoy Lakasok news everyone. Hello, happy welcome to Margo's birthday party. Everyone say hello to our best friend Betty. Birthday girl Margo. Ang saya ang best friend Davao, please welcome my best friend, your best friend, our best friend, si Marco's birthday party. We photo up together with the best friend Hetty and Jollibee. Okay, together with our parents na. Okay, na Joanna. And this time po together with our Jolly Kids. Okay, let's go Jolly Kids.
Let's go, go, go!
Okay, look at the camera po. Okay, tingin po tayo sa camera, kids.
Ate!
Okay, Marco.
Ate!
Rocky face, kids. Rocky. Alright, thank you so much, kids. And Jollibee. But for now, may request everybody to please settle down po muna. So sila ang ihandang special dance number para po sa inyong lahat. Kaya mga sumayaw. Yes or no? Yes! Alright.
Nagyayaya ang ngiti, di na nga mapakali. Halika na, di na nga ang iba. Labas lahat ng ngipin, hindi na tayo walang iba. Si Jollibee, bigyan ang saya.
And this time, let's give it up for Alright, thank you so much, Hetty and Harvey, for your wonderful and amazing dance number. And this time po, we will now proceed to the very highlight of this celebration, the blowing of birthday candles. Alright, thank you, time po. May invite everybody to please stand up. Tayo po tayong lahat for us to sing once again a happy birthday song for Margot. Let's make it louder. Happy birthday, happy Alright, one more time. Make it louder. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. And for this time, yung mas malakas at mas mabilis naman. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. And now, sabay-sabay nating sabihin, Happy birthday, Margot, on a count of 3. 1, 2, 3, and... Happy birthday, Margot! You may now make a lot of wishes, go your birthday, Margot! Palamakan po natin ang ating birthday girl na si Margot. And naman, Hetty, ilan ang birthday wish mo for Margot? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Talaga naman si Hetty. 2. Dalawa lang. For your first wish for Margot is that she grow up na, siya ay lumaking wag magkakasakit. Maging strong and healthy like Jollibee. Kasi yung second wish for Margot is that she grow up na to be smart. Tayo ang marating sa buhay ni Margot. Maabot ang kanyang mga pangarap sa buhay Thomas, Hetty. And this time, of course, si Jollibee naman ang magbibigay ng birthday wish. Okay, Jollibee, ilan ang inanda ng birthday wish for Margot? Alright, everybody, let's count all together now po. Magbibilang tayo ngayon. Okay, make it louder, everybody. Nakasabay na. Sige pa, lalaksan na po namin, Jollibee. Okay, get ready one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4 lang. 4 lang po ang daliri sa kamay nila sa Jollibee. Sige pa, 5. Ang lang 5 Jollibee. O, 1, 2, 3, 4. Kaya lang po, 4 wishes ang meron si Jollibee dahil 4 lang ang daliri. Pagpalain ng Diyos na may kapal. Hindi po construction. Pagpalain po ng Diyos na may kapal. Kaya Okay, para sa iyong second wish for Margot is that she grow up na, wow, to be more beautiful and sexy. Lola! Sumunod kami, Joanna. Palakpakan niyo po ang kanyang second wish. At para sa iyong third wish for Margot is that she grow up na, wow, maging mapera daw po sa buhay. At mapagbigay sa inyong lahat. Kagaya po ni Miss Anne Joanna. Palakpakan niyo po ang kanyang birthday wish. Hindi na kasi na sila. Mapagbigay kasi sila. Okay. At para naman sa fourth and final wish na for Margot is that she grow up na to always be happy, just like your best friend Hetty and Jollibee. Thank you so much, Jollibee. And this time, Margot, please receive a birthday gift from Jollibee. Ang Jollibee. Love! Happy birthday,
So
Margot!
good, I just can't hide. I wanna hold your hand, but get too shy. It's just me and you. What should I do? You give me butterflies.